The warning electrical system power reduced in a Tesla vehicle is almost always a scary message because it triggers a dozen of different error codes on the screen and your car may eventually shut down and not restart after some time. The good thing is that it's almost always connected with the little 12-volt battery. The bad thing is that in the dealership, they treat this as a high voltage system problem and charge you about $300 to just inspect the vehicle and then another $300 for a battery and some more for labor. Anyway, before you even go to the dealership, you may try to reset this warning and also check the health of the 12-volt battery. Especially if it's not the Model S that you need to disassemble quite heavily to even get to the 12-volt battery. So the first thing I would try in this case is a proper software reset. You go to Controls, then go to Safety, and scroll down to press the Power Off button. After 30 seconds, press any pedal or button to start the vehicle again and see if this helps. It probably won't, but still worth a try, since it will cost you nothing. Now you need to make sure that the 12-volt battery is healthy. The only good way of doing it is checking it with a load tester. Only looking at the voltage under load, you can say if the battery is still good. You can buy your own load tester or just go to any good car parts store and ask them to check the battery. Hoping that you will buy the new battery from them, a lot of stores will do that for free. If you eventually find out that the 12-volt battery is not that healthy, you should replace it. Just buy the new battery with the same specs that you have in your car, then disconnect the old battery. After that, you should turn off the power in your car from the high voltage battery, otherwise the new 12-volt battery won't be registered properly. For example, in the Model 3, you just raise the rear seat by unlocking these two latches, and here you have the gray and black connector that you need to disconnect. It's absolutely safe and you can do it on your own as long as you don't touch anything of orange color, which indicates high voltage system components in EVs. Now after that, you install the new battery, then put the high voltage connector back and everything should work fine. Make sure you don't close all the doors when the power is completely off, since the doors won't open that easily. In most cases you will solve the problem by doing this. Also, by disconnecting the 12-volt battery and then turning off the high voltage power with that connector, you will reset the battery management system, and this can solve the problem even if you don't replace the 12-volt battery. But if this doesn't help you fix the issue, the next step is to book an appointment with the dealership and have the vehicle inspected. The problem may be either in the DC-DC converter or in the high voltage battery management system.